Hello, welcome to my tutorial. I wanted to show you that it is possible to paint in OpenToonz because I'm using a raster level brush, so I can paint easily. What I did to be able to paint, everything is set in proper order. Layer where I create character is here. Before I didn't use multi-level columns. I just decided to do that because in the first column I was unable to paint objects, empty objects, but because I'm using couple layers I can create characters. Okay, I will show you because I exported to JPG because you can export. By default you cannot collapse. Of course, what you can do, you could collapse. But the thing is, you cannot merge like in Krita if you want to collapse layers. I don't know if this is possible to do like in Krita. But I found the way I can export this. I will open another project. Oh no, I didn't save. I have to save first. Don't worry if you use option save all, because if you append all of your files to main catalog, this is my catalog where this project is located. So don't worry about this, because nothing will be lost. Now you have to choose change project, because we will be painting pencil. I have to check if I can move this to another layer. Yes, it is possible. It is. This is main layer for painting my pencil. Another layer I will use to make colors, to add the colors. New level. If you choose the Toonz raster level, don't choose this option because my paint library brushes will not work with Toonz raster level, only will be working with raster level. Also, you can also adjust, because it is very important. I forgotten to talk about this. When you click by right mouse button, edit image, make sure you add proper canvas size, because it will be out of range. You have to add the proper canvas size. Actually, everything seems to be okay. Now I will use my brushes to paint my pencil. I like very much people this application because I can easily paint everything. Last layer. I have to use, I didn't know. OpenToonz is similar to Krita. You can also use this option in Krita when you want to use eraser. Krita, for some reasons, I like Krita and OpenToonz. I didn't say I like that application more than Krita, because in Krita you have selection tools, you can merge layers together. What OpenToonz is missing, selection tools for raster level. I don't see any selection tools to be able to copy one of the, one of the single items to cut. Hopefully, I don't know if cutter tool works with raster level. I didn't check that. To be able, I don't know if this is possible or not. Copy, paste, insert. I need a copy of the brush. On this corner, when you click, you have access to change color of the brush. You have to hit manually apply to switch to different color raster. I think this version of OpenToonz seems to be working very stable. What I don't like when I resize a column is narrow space. You have to use roller mouse to change size of the brush apply. No, I have chosen different brush. I check this one. I change opacity to 2. As you can see, but it's not that brush what I wanted. I check that one. I think I will have to copy that brush, which I copied, I don't remember. I have to make copy of this brush. No, I already have. Why I didn't choose another brush? Because there are so many brushes that I'm not going to waste time publishing this video tutorial. No, we have to switch to another layer. I'm just thinking if I should. Layer smudge. This is for smudge brush, I think. Apply. Also, people, please make sure you select. I added too many columns. Make sure you select always first column when you save all. Very, very important. Don't select in the middle or at the end, because you will lose your work. Oh, now we have issue. I paint behind this, which shouldn't be. So what we could do? We can swap column. After doing that, I was able to swap column. So you can see what is going on here. I had to swap one of the column. Because we have to render this to check if this has been exported properly. I didn't finish painting in this application. I like very much, people, this program. Believe me, this is very, very good application. Oh, it's beautiful. I like very much my paint brushes. They seem to be working much faster. When you use application OpenToonz, that application works perfect with those brushes. Copy, paste, insert. Another thing what I wanted you to pay attention on is make sure you save library to file so you don't have to create new brushes all over again. This should be different color. I should have chosen different color instead. That should be this color. Oh no, I was too lazy. Apply. Why I'm doing this? I have chosen darker color to blend that color. As you can see, we have nice blended color. Also, I wanted you to pay attention on how to save a color palette. So you don't have to create new brushes once again. I don't know if I write correctly in English pencil, because some words I don't pronounce. I don't sometimes write properly some of the words, but I try to do my best. Pencil colors. I will overwrite my palette once again. Also, you can overwrite original palette. Raster drawing palette, we can overwrite this. As you can see, my custom palette is located here. You drag my left mouse button. You can also close this. Even if you draw something else, you can still load from beginning. Okay, now we will be exporting to JPG or to TIFF format. I then have to check how everything is being exported. Have we got JPG? Yes, we have format JPG. Moving maybe to value 1. I have chosen 100% quality. My dog is barking, unfortunately. Let's check if this works. Why so slow? Yes, because I didn't export to single frame. And we have to check. We have beautiful cartoon. You can use this application for painting beautiful stuff. I hope you like my video tutorial, and I would like to publish today. And last step, what I want you to check, if you are not sure about onion skin and opacity, you click like this. You can also use, how do they call it in English? Like template. Oh yes, proper word, template. In Polish language, we call this szablon, template. Also, when you are not sure how to set up opacity, you go to references, onion skin. The higher value, the more transparent. The lower value is less transparent. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. Sorry for my English, it's not perfect. I originally come from Poland, but I improve my English all the time. I do video tutorials for Polish and English people and for Americans, for people who speak English all over the place and people who speak Polish across the world. Okay, have a nice evening.